four-wing doors on the transport of the future. This is what we're all going to be using to get around. Look at this. Fully autonomous for 2 passengers. This is fully electric. A fully electric plane that takes off vertically like a helicopter and lands vertically like a helicopter. It is 100 times quieter than a helicopter. It has 12 separate motors all the way along the front. These ones tip forward when you're flying. This is for takeoff, this is for flying mode. Now you come around here. You've got the batteries in this part of the aircraft. Has about 850 horsepower equivalent, but it is as light as a Tesla Model X. Just a car, that's it. It can fly up to 60 miles in distance and at 150 miles per hour. Now, you might think, this looks really expensive. I can't afford this. No way, I'm just gonna get in my car. This is going to launch with 300 of these planes in 2024, and to get an hour's journey in a car, this will take 10 minutes and cost you about $40. That's it. This is for everyone, and it's called the Maker by Archer. So to get around, go to work, etc., you can put your briefcase here. You've even got space for some luggage. And the one they launch will be a 4-seater with a pilot.